I'm Shelby Cullen, and with today's health news. Whooping cough is making a comeback, and that's not good news. A new study from the Santa Fe Institute found that pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is on the rise in the U.S., and it may be spread by people without any symptoms. According to the CDC, pertussis most commonly affects infants and young children and can be fatal, especially in babies less than 1 year of age. From 1970 to 2001, the CDC reported less than 8,000 cases of whooping cough each year. However, there were more than 28,000 cases of the disease in 2014. The study team found that the most likely reason for the increase was that many infected people may not show the typical symptoms, such as a severe, prolonged cough. The study authors noted that a new vaccine might help.